Thanks for watching. Today we're at the 2026 Myrtle Beach Food Truck Festival. It's supposed to be about 80 vendors here today. This is the last day, so we're going to check it out. Jimmy's. I do not own the rights to this music. Satisfy your slushy needs. Might see people that you know. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, you. How are you? I've been here for 3 days.
Which vendor? The which one?
Surf dog.
Oh, Surf Dog. Oh, okay, cool.
We're waiting. Right now we got to do that. There's craziest. I don't know what the whole story is, but I have a feeling, you know, he wasn't paying his way, so she got rid of him. That's her house.
Cheese curd. Sinsane.
I was wondering if this house was
Give that a try a little later. Big line here for the barbecue. Chef Boy RD. What? That's the name of it, Chef Boy RD. Not open yet. Cafe Old Vienna. Just opened up at 11, so the crowd is starting to file in. A little later, probably be quite crowded. Oh no. I do not own the rights to this music. Are you Polish people, including myself?
You want some pierogies, girls? Okay. No, fine.
Sour Sips Shack. Say that 10 times fast. Carolina Quench Company. Premium Italian ice.
Ty, your order's ready, Ty.
That's a huge drink. These vendors you see in this video, if you're interested, just pause the video and jot down their information. Turkey legs. Smells good here. Come on down. Well, actually, by the time you see this video, it'll be over. You missed it, so next year you can always attend. And along with the food, you know, there's always vendors for other items, as you can see. Snake over to the other side. If you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be aware of new content. I appreciate everybody watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me out greatly. Ken, and this is at KG for Life. The Wonder Waffle. You wonder if it's a waffle or whatever it is. Check out that QR code to find out more. Pigs, fish, and chicken. Burrito shop. again, I do not own the rights to any of this music playing. Little country garlic crab boil.
You can never say how it used to be.
Caribbean Jerk. I believe that's the one that's located in Conway. Good fired pizza. This looks popular here. Is it African fish? Oh, African food, okay. Steak stirs. Obviously, serving items with steak, various concoctions. Heavenly cheesecake. You eat it and you go to heaven. Kona Ice. Franchises are available with Kona Ice.
They got really good.
Huh?
Like, I would say,
Hillbilly Bob's homemade soda.
I'll do the driving.
Nito's empanadas. Lemons and Doug. Island noodles, traditional Hawaiian dishes. Who wants a deep fried Oreo? Deep fried cheesecake. They'll deep fry anything. Kettle corn. Alright. Why not rent wings? Why not? There's always room for wings. Smell that kettle corn. Yummy. Have different flavors. Okay. Good. Candy grapes. free yet. The original pizza cone. You don't like eating your pizza traditionally? Eat it like an ice cream cone. So if you're enjoying this video, which I hope you are, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see future content. I appreciate everybody who watches my channel, whether you're a subscriber or not. And if you're not a subscriber, why not? Huh? Come on. It's free. So just to reiterate, this food truck festival here in Myrtle Beach is located in the parking lot of the old Myrtle Square Mall, and it runs for 3 days. It started Friday, yesterday, and today is the last day. There is no fee for parking. However, there is an entry fee, nominal fee, $5 a person. I think kids 12 and under are free, maybe. But purchase tickets online, simple process. And zip, zip, you're in. Plenty of parking. Let's take a look at the Jersey dog. As you can see, it's starting to get more people here. Booze pops. Get your dessert and your alcohol all in one place. Must be 21 or over to purchase. Veteran owned. We support our vets. I'm sorry. It's all right. Dirty sodas, lemonades. Well, what are they putting in there? Keys Kitchen. Seconds or less. Uh-oh, pretzels.
I came back to let you know.
I do not own the rights to any of this music.
And I can't let it go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me, 'cause I'm in a daze from your love.
Some
you
samples
see.
put out.
I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let it go.
Lobster dog.
So people go around, they may
Nola.
never find
Rusty crab.
You tried everything, but you won't give up. In my world,
Currently hearing the sound stylings of Frank Fiorello.
what I would not do. My friends wonder what is wrong with me, 'cause I'm in a day from your love, you see. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let it go.
Bring a lawn chair,
You know I
set it up, and enjoy the live music that runs throughout the day. Various different bands play.
What you won't do for love. You tried everything, but you won't give up.
Bar station.
Oh, you baby, do for love what I would not do. Baby, do for love what I would not do.
So obviously this is the most popular food stand, Metro Smokehouse. There's Mom's. Long line here. That Metro Smokehouse. Same thing. Surf dogs. They're located in Surfside Beach.
Come on, come on, come on.
Whoop. Wing paradise. Nothing but wings, then I must be in paradise. Paradise. Can't go wrong selling wings. Tequila, Guanajuato. They have butchered that, but flavor that reaches the heart. Hopefully not by way of heartburn. Tipsy Ice, another alcohol-infused ice concoction. So that's all of the vendors at the show, at the festival rather. I'm gonna end this video and I may make another part, because right now I'm going to sample some of the stuff. When I say sample, of course, you gotta pay, obviously. But maybe people thought that pay the $5 and get to sample food here for free. No, that's not what happens. You gotta pay for your food. All right, so if I see you later, great. If not, thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, peace out.